Hey guys, Rob here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free gems. So guys, of course, you can't really get free gems unless you download something like a hacker or something like that. So guys, you're going to have to do it by code. So guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to get them. So guys, the codes I don't really remember them, so I have to search them still. So guys, wait, I'm sorry about these. So we're gonna be searching. Wait, guys, we're gonna have to search Animal Jam World. AnimalJamWorld.com. What? Here we go. I'm gonna exit this. So guys, here we are. And guys, you will see these here. So guys, you're gonna have to press on codes. Come on, really? So, animal codes. Here we go. Margin codes. No. So guys, here we go. We're gonna have to press this. And then, here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Okay, I forgot the word. Here, press here. Play wild codes. Here we go. So guys, as you can see, here are the codes. Arctic Dynamite Dreams, EG play cards, whatever, 12 or 15 software. Sorry, what? No. But still. So guys, so these actually works, guys. Pretty nice. So guys, even though they are still in Playwild and Animal Jam, has the same code, so you can actually get these working Playwild codes also in Animal Jam. So guys, if you search this in Animal Jam, the website, Google, you can still get gems in Animal Jam Playwild. So guys, these two are connected. So yeah. So guys, that will be all for today. Thank you for watching my Animal Jam videos, and please leave a like and subscribe, and I'm gonna stay here and just read some good old books. Bye!